Hey, you know that thing at the bank that you like put your pen and your paper and everything in and it's like that? I can do that. Watch this. Ready? Got it? That was the best one. What? You want to see the bank again? Okay, cool. Yeah. You thought I was the bank, didn't you? That's crazy. Do you want to see it again? You're not going to get confused, are you? Oh. Oh, no, I'm not the bank. No, I'm Kathy. Like, and these are cotton candy grapes from H-E-B. The Grapery makes them. Not really the bank. Silly. All right, ready? No, it's not money. It's a grape. Here we go. That one was kind of like, I did it slow for you, so it wasn't as like, but one more time. Okay. Ready? I only have two more, so I gotta make them good. That was a baby. You can only get so much pop off a little one, you know? So good. You should really get some. I think, like I said, the Grapery makes them. And I got mine at H-E-B. Because I love H-E-B. You should really try them. If that confused you, I'm happy to talk about it. Because I know, like, that could be really weird. Like, I don't want you to see me in the street and be like, oh my god, there's the bank. Because I can see how that did look like a bank.